This is an opportunity you don't want to miss. Another scholarship in Italy. If you've been searching for a chance to study in Europe, tuition free and with extra cash for your living expenses, then this video is for you. Today I'm breaking down one of the most exciting scholarships for 2025. This is at the University of Bologna. It's the scholarships offered there in Italy. Now you can study at the world's oldest university tuition free and also get a 6,500 grant to support your living expenses. Let's get into all the details. Welcome back to the channel, guys. Now the University of Bologna in Italy isn't just any school. It's the oldest university in the world, and yes, it still ranks among the world's best. Now for 2025, they're offering 30 prestigious scholarships for international students. This scholarship covers 100% of your tuition fees and gives you a generous 6,500 euro grant to cover your living costs while you study in one of the most beautiful countries in Europe. But here is the thing, guys. It's only open to bachelor's and master's degree applicants. Okay, all of those people that have been asking me for bachelor's degree scholarship, you have this one here on your plate. So do well to grab this opportunity. Okay, now let's talk about who is eligible for this one. So to qualify for this scholarship, you must be an international student. Okay, it doesn't matter if you're from Africa, Asia, Europe, or anywhere else, you can apply for this one. And note that you must be under 30 years old at the time of application. Yes, you also need to have a valid qualification from a recognized institution that qualifies you for a bachelor's or master's program at the University of Bologna. And if you're applying for a bachelor's or single cycle degree, you need to take the SAT exam. Okay, now if you're also applying for a master's program, you need to take the GRE exam. And yes, you'll also need to submit proof of your financial status. So this is what would qualify you for the scholarship. Now this is a merit and financial based scholarship, so both your grades and your income level matters. Okay, now let's talk about the scholarship benefits in details. Let's break down what the scholarship actually gives you. Number one, you'll have 100% tuition fee exception, like exemption. You don't pay anything. You don't pay a dime in your school fees throughout your program. And number two, you get a 6,500 euro gross grant to cover your rent, feeding, transportation, and other living expenses in Italy. Number three, you also gain access to one of Europe's most respected academic institutions and also the opportunity to experience Italy's rich culture, food, and history tuition free. This is amazing, guys. You don't want to miss this. Okay, now quick fact is that Italy's cost of living is way cheaper than countries like Germany, France, or the Netherlands. I can tell you this for free. So 6,500 euro can go a long way. Okay, now if you're wondering what courses you can study or what are the available programs that are being offered for this scholarship program, now the University of Bologna has a massive range of programs, and some of the top fields include, I'm also going to be showing that towards the end of the video, so you can check also on my screen to see the courses they have, and also I would leave the link in the description. Okay, yeah, so now what are the courses that you can study for this scholarship program? They have the for agriculture and food sciences, they have economics and management, they have engineering and architecture, humanities, medicine, law, psychology, statistics, pharmacy and biotechnology, political sciences, languages and literature, and so many more. And you know what the good news is? A large number of these programs are taught in English. Yes, even though some programs are taught in Italian, there are also English taught programs. You would see them on my screen towards the end of the video. Now, application requirements. This is very important, so please pay attention to this one. Okay, let's go over what you need to prepare. Number one, you need your valid passport or national ID. For international students, you will definitely need your valid passport, your international passport. Number 2, proof of a non-Italian degree that qualifies you for the program you're applying for. So for example, if you're going for masters, you need your bachelor's degree and transcript gotten from your home country, that is not gotten from an Italian university. If you're going for a bachelor's degree, you need your high school certification, your high school certificate obviously, and the transcript, original transcript from the school. Number 3, your GRE scores if you're applying for a master's, and then for bachelor's, your SAT scores. Okay, every of the link is on the description on how to go about these exams that I'm mentioning. This is just to test your skills on general knowledge, reasoning, and ability to think and all those things. It's just they'll definitely test your language skills, your English language skills, and then your reasoning skills as well. Okay, so this is what this test is all about. You don't have to worry. I believe you would, or you can pass it. It's not really a big deal, but it's also very important that you prepare before you sit for the test, just so you can have a very good grade. Now, number 4, you need your proof of financial status. Remember I said that this scholarship is a merit-based and also a financial-based scholarship. So they need this to also get to confirm if you are eligible for the scholarship, which is your proof of financial status. So it's an ISEE certificate, if you can get one, or an equivalent document showing your family income falls within 16,000 euro and 35,000 euro per year. Remember, GRE scores should be sent to the University of Bologna using the code 7850. Everything is on the link to the platform. Okay, the link to this scholarship platform, you would see everything there just so you can go through on your own. And now let's talk about the deadlines. Please write these dates down. Application has already started, and the deadline for this one, just as you saw on the thumbnail and the title, it's the 30th of May 2025 at 12 noon Italian time. Okay, so Central Eastern Standard Time, 12 noon 30th of May 2025 is the deadline for this scholarship. Please take note. Now, the results for this scholarship would be in July 2025. So make sure that you use a very good and working email address when you're applying for it, just so that you are updated with whatever information is being passed across, so you can be carried along and don't miss important dates and information. Now, applying is super easy. How do you apply? Step 1, you go to university or to the University of Bologna's Studenti online or Studenti online portal, and when you are there, step 2, you register an account. Okay, register an account. I'm going to also show that on towards the end of this screen. Right now I'm currently showing, like I said, every of the course. You see agriculture and food sciences, economics and management. So every of these things here I already mentioned earlier, so this is just to show you the courses they have. Now towards the end, after this screen, you would be seeing the steps, okay, the portal on how to apply. Now on that portal, you just go to that online portal. It is Studenti, so Studenti online portal. Then you register. So step 2, you register an account. Step 3, you upload all your required documents. Step 4, submit your application before the deadline. Okay, like I said, the link is going to be on the description. So if you don't have, obviously, if you because they would, if you live in Italy, you'd be asked for an Italian code or tax code. So if you don't reside in Italy and you are an international student, okay, coming from a foreign country, you have to apply or register as an international student. So when you go to that Studenti online portal, you hit on international student. So when you hit on international student, you now register under that section as a new student. Now, what's going to be my final tip? Start preparing now. You don't have much time. You have less than 2 weeks for you to apply for this one. So start preparing now. The GRE and SAT are not exams you can pass overnight, okay? Plus, the earlier you get your financial documents and application ready, the better for you. Also, remember that you don't need to know Italian. Many of the programs are taught in English. So if studying in Europe tuition free sounds like your dream, don't sleep on this opportunity. A lot of people have been asking me for more opportunities for bachelor's degree scholarship programs, and here you have this one. So make good use of this opportunity, okay? Now, if you found this video very helpful, smash the like button, hit subscribe, and also turn on the notification bell so you don't miss scholarship and study abroad opportunities like this one too. And also share this video to everyone that might be needing this. And also, if you have any questions, like I would always say, put them in the comments and I would try to reply to every single one of them. Thank you very much for watching, and I would see you on the next one.